Today we're reviewing for a garage, storage and more, indoor, outdoor, and unboxing, show you what you get inside the box. Here is a organizer system, nicely packaged and protected with cardboard around, and you have up to a 12-inch hanging system, as you can see. Everything you get in the package, an instruction guide how to install, 3 shelving units or wall units that you attach. They can be attached in angles any way you desire. 3 different lengths of hooks, double hook system, single hook system, shorter, and the shortest, and they are lockable and adjustable. For our demonstration purposes on the wall, we're going to pick a spot, hang up, and lock down. Taking the bracket, laying on top, loosening up the clip, sliding and adjusting, and locking into place. Repeat for the next. Lock down, loosen, lift up, lock and secure until you have all 3 of your liking on. Placing a rake on. A wash shovel. A squeegee in the back. And a metal shovel. This is just some of the demonstrations of Organizer Garage shelf holder. With an optional drill and bit, screw in your anchors, secure all 3 plates down. Place on your hangers. Or simply lift up, loosen, and lock on. With the measurement from end to end, 48 inches. Each of the bracket holders, 16 inches apiece, with the longest of up to 10 inches, up to 8 inches, and up to 5 inches. We have 2 large, 3 medium, 3 small. They are adjustable to move anywhere, but 1, 2, or all. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for your garage organizer that you can shift, take off as needed with an additional area on the bottom that you can hang up certain items and move as needed. They are adjustable, lockable in place. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.